Good morning students, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Waris Jamal. Today I am going to discuss about a topic of class 9, printer. As you know very much, printer is a output device that is used to print the information or the data that you have stored in the computer. Actually students, there are two different types of output. The first type of output is called the soft copy that you can see on the screen, and when you get the output on a paper or in a sheet, that kind of output is called the hard copy. So the printer is a an output device that is used to create the hard copy of the document or data. Printer is an output device that help you to print the data in the paper. Printer are very important. This is very important when you want to print the data on the paper, and it is an optional. When the printer is not attached to the computer, it will not affect the actual performance of the computer system. It only do not perform the particular action of printing. When you attach the printer in the computer, you need to install the printer driver and perform the printing work. Actually printers, there are two different types of printer that I have mentioned in my board. That is called the impact printer, and the second one is called the non-impact printer. What is impact printer and non-impact printer? Actually students, when we call the impact printer, when we call a non-impact printer, you must understand this. Actually students, when there is a physical contact between the writing head and the paper, when there is a physical contact between the writing head and the paper, then that type of printer is called the impact printer. Impact printer means that gives the impression on the sheet, and that directly or physically contact on the sheet, that while they are printing, they attach their head to the paper. Actually I am giving example. You have seen a typewriting machine. The typewriting machine, when you press the key of any typewriting machine, then the typewriter head start and strike over the ribbon and get the impression of the ribbon, followed by the key that is pressed is appear on the paper. So striking is done by the physical contact. When there is a physical contact between the paper and the writing head, then that technology of printing is known as impact printer. And when there is no physical contact between the printing head and the paper, that is called the non-impact printer. Actually students, I am giving the example of non-impact printer. The non-impact printer are just as the inkjet printer and the laser and the daisy wheel printer are the example of non-impact printer. Sorry, impact printer. Impact printer, daisy wheel printer or inkjet printer are the two examples of impact printer. And non-impact printer are those printer which they do not directly contact with the paper and the head. So there are two examples: dot matrix printer and laser printer. The impact printer uses laser beam technology, ink spraying technology, and other lighting emission technology for the printing. They do not directly connect with the papers also. Okay. So printer is about, we will discuss more about the impact printer and non-impact printer example in my next video. So must watch my video continuously to get the information about the output device and the various components of the computer system. Thank you very much.